Hello everyone, this is Cassie from DURMAPRESS. Today I want to show you our machine details. Follow me.
First, look at the machine frame. It undergoes multi-temperature process to ensure long-term stability. We guarantee no deformation for 15 years. You can see this frame wall, very strong. Here is our electrical cabinet. It's fully equipped with Schneider electrical components. You can check. And we also have two kinds of motor for you to choose. You can choose which one you prefer.
This is all for today's video. Look at this frame. They are waiting for you. Welcome, contact us, DURMAPRESS.